Our students at Auburn Union School District are enjoying hands-on, real-life learning that is rigorous and relevant. I'm Amberly Alva, Superintendent of the Auburn Union School District, and here are just some of the fantastic things happening in AUSD. Alta Vista Community Charter School focused on visuals, art, and engineering education in their kite assembly last week. Students learned about kites and then assembled and took home their very own kite. Auburn Elementary School concentrated on giving back. They partnered with UC Cal Fresh to revive their garden in Old Town Auburn. Students are currently preparing the garden for a community work day and learning to volunteer in our community. On a separate note, Auburn Elementary also sent home 20 boxes of books to families so books could find a new home. At Skyridge Elementary in the fall, they have their Watch Dogs, Dads of Great Students launch night. This event was attended by over 90 dads, grandfathers, and uncles. Watch Dogs is an innovative program used by schools across America to encourage fathers and father figures to be involved in their students' lives. Skyridge has enjoyed several Watch Dog visits to their school. Watch Dogs are doing a fantastic job interacting and serving as role models for our students. Rock Creek students use hands-on techniques in the robotics labs to encourage math and engineering learning. They're learning about conducting energy and creating a closed circuit in experiments. At E.B. Kane, Mrs. Linda Young, in our Independent Living Skills program, teaches her students basic cooking skills. Cooking skills encourage experimenting and chemistry lessons as students learn about reactions and baking in real-life situations. They are having a great time as well as gaining essential life skills. Our students enjoy the project-based, hands-on learning provided at AUSD. We are excited about transforming the lives of thousands of children in our Auburn community. Keep in touch with us on our website or through social media.